Make sure you eat most of your food at breakfast and at lunch. So it's important to prevent evening appetite, because if you don't, you have a big appetite at the end of the day. It's almost impossible not to eat a lot. And hunger is the strongest urge in the human body. So having a good sized breakfast and a good sized lunch means that you can eat a lot lighter at night. And that's also an excellent tool in weight loss, because the meal you eat at night, your body can't use, so it's going to store. Exercise through the day helps us to sleep better at night. Ecclesiastes 5:12, the Bible says, "The sleep of a labouring man is sweet." The sleep of a labouring man is sweet because that person's physically exhausted and they lie down and go to sleep. Many people aren't physically exhausted at the end of the day, they're mentally exhausted. And that doesn't give as good a sleep as being physically exhausted. I always maintain that if you're working in an office and there's a rebounder in the office and everyone in the office rebounds for 1 minute every hour, I can just about assure you that you'll all have early marks because you work better and at the end of the day you'll sleep better because you've had just that little bit of rebounding. And if you do work in an office, please go and have lunch in the park. Get the daily sunshine, have a walk through the park, because sitting in an office all day, it's not conducive to good sleep. But I do know that some people, that's their job. So if it's your job, then you can rebound every hour, go to the park through lunchtime. If it's raining, run up and down the stairs to the next few floors. So that little bit of exercise just helps to get that physical exertion and exhaustion so that you are more likely to sleep at night.